Nostradamus was a French apothecary and seer who lived during the Renaissance period and is best known for his book Les Prophètes, a collection of 942 poetic quatrains that allegedly predict future events. Nostradamus was born Michel de Nostradame on December 14, 1503, in Saint-Rémy-de-Provence, a small town in Provence, France. Primarily famous for his prophecies, many of his followers believe that he predicted numerous events in world history, from the French Revolution to the rise of Adolf Hitler to the 9/11 attacks in the USA. However, his writings are highly metaphorical and obscure, making them subject to a wide range of interpretations. Critics argue that many of the interpretations are stretches or are fitted to events after they have occurred. In Nostradamus's quatrains, he mentioned 3 antichrists that would come to power and bring immense destruction to the earth. The first 2 are commonly thought to refer to Napoleon and Hitler, and the identity of the third Antichrist has been the topic of much speculation. Some believe he was referring to a major figure who would play a significant role in World War III. A few of the quatrains that have been frequently associated with discussions of a third Antichrist, the name Mabus, and a potential World War III include
Century 2, Quatrain 62. Mabus will soon die, then will come a horrible undoing of people and animals. At once one will see vengeance, 100 powers, thirst, famine, when the comet will pass.
Many interpreters of Nostradamus have speculated on the identity of Mabus, suggesting it could be a code or an anagram for a future individual, nation, or organization that will play a pivotal role in world events. More potential references to a third Antichrist or major war.
Century 8, Quatrain 77. The third Antichrist very soon annihilated. 27 years his war will last. The heretics are dead, captives exiled. Blood, human body, water reddened, earth shrunk. Century 10, Quatrain 72. The year 1999, 7th month. From the sky will come a great king of terror, to bring back to life the great king of the Mongols, before and after Mars to reign by good luck.
The reference to 1999 and Mars in this quatrain has led some to speculate about a significant conflict or war, with Mars often being symbolic of war in various contexts. However, it's also worth noting that 1999 has come and gone without the realization of this particular prediction. There are other quatrains that people have linked to potential global conflicts or the rise of dangerous leaders, but the connections are often more tenuous and highly speculative. It's important to stress that the quatrains of Nostradamus are notoriously difficult to interpret. They are written in a cryptic style, filled with metaphors, symbolism, and obscure references. Over centuries, many have retrofitted these quatrains to various events after the fact, which can lead to a confirmation bias in interpretations. The true meanings, if they can be determined at all, are elusive, and interpretations vary widely. Many believe Nostradamus's quatrains to be prophetic, while others see them as vague generalities or even mere coincidences. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.